Imam Ibn Taymiyyah rahimahullah has actually written a book called Dar'u Ta'arud النقل مع العقل أو درء تعارض النقل والعقل. He has written a book of 9 voluminous volumes. And he talks about so many things in those books. Yeah. So let me take a leaf out of those books and talk about just one thing that Imam Ibn Taymiyyah rahimahullah says here. هل يعارض العقل النقل is what he is asking this question. Is there a way, I mean, is there any point in time that your aql can contradict the naql? Yeah. Is there a possibility that the akal, the reason, can ever contradict the nas? The nakal here doesn't mean copying. The nakal here means the Quran and the authentic ahadith, because these are written down through the spoken word of Allah Azza wa Jal, through Jibreel, through the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and they were ascribes of the revelation that used to sit down in front of the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam every time there was a revelation, every time there was a wahi, and they would write all of it down. So, which is why we call it naql. And they would, not just one person. There are several people writing it down, and they would further cascade the notes that they have written, or the nas that they have written, the Quran that they have written. So what I'm saying is, Imam Ibn Taymiyyah rahimahullah says, "Hal yu'arid al-aql an-naql?" Is there a possibility that the aql can ever contradict what is sent down by Allah Azza wa Jal, especially because the creator of both this, the reason and the revelation, is one. Yeah. He says, let me quote from what he is saying here. Al-aqlu as-sarihu as-salimu la yukhalifu an-naqla as-sahih. If you have what is called, very clear, very conscient, or how do I say, very downright and absolutely perfect common sense. I'm not talking about absolute intelligence. No, absolute common sense. If you have any common sense that can actually help people understand that 2 plus 2 equals 4, either it is day or night, either it is, this or that. When people can make a distinction like that, such a person is supposed to have what is called al-aql as-sarih as-salim. So here Imam Ibn Taymiyyah rahimahullah is saying this: al-aqlu as-sarihu as-salimu la yukhalifu an-naqla as-sahih. Aql sahih, absolute conscience, or common sense, absolute common sense, the common sense in its right place, never ever contradicts the revelation. Why? And he says, bal yashhadu lahu wa yu'ayyiduhu. Not only does it, testifies that yes, what is said in the revelation is absolutely right, but it also seems to back it. It also seems to substantiate it. وَلَا يَتَعَارَضَانِ أَبَدًا. They can never ever contradict. لِأَنَّ مَصْدَرَهُمَا وَاحِدٌ وَهُوَ اللَّهُ. Because the source of each one of them is Allah Azza wa Jal, which means it is Allah Azza wa Jal that sent down the revelation. It is Allah Azza wa Jal that gave us the brain, that gave us common sense. So, وَمِنَ الْمَحَالِ أَن يُرْسِلَ إِلَيْهِ مَا يُفْسِدُهُ. How is it? I mean, it is impossible that Allah Azza wa Jal, the sender of the revelation, yeah, the maker of the common sense. It is impossible for the maker of the common sense and the sender of the revelation to send down something that can actually corrupt it, as opposed to, reconciling it, or as opposed to, reforming it, fixing it, correcting it, making it better, making it, stay steadfast. Impossible. وَمِنَ الْمُحَالِ هَذَا. It is impossible that the same source who sent down aql, who sent down revelation, yeah, who gave us common sense, who sent down the revelation, he's not going to, I mean, have you ever seen, I mean, walillahi al-mathalul a'la, have you ever seen any manual? Say, we usually talk about cars and their manuals, washing machines and their manuals. Have you ever seen any manual trying to tell you to or trying to corrupt your very car, or corrupt your very washing machine, or let it malfunction. Do you ever see any manual from any human being, any manufacturer, or any company that manufactures these washing machines, these dishwashers, these refrigerators, and cars and bikes, etc., etc.? So you have manuals for each of these things, or maybe the phones also have these manuals. Do you ever see any manufacturer giving you a manual that actually, instead of helping you learn the usage and maintain the product efficiently and correctly, do you ever see that they have sent you a manual which actually, doesn't allow the product to function correctly and properly? Never does it happen. And even if it does happen, they recall those cars, those machines, etc. Yeah, you have seen so many such examples that some cars are recalled because there is a malfunction in the car. So walillahi mathalul a'la. If a human being, if a manufacturer, if an organization, if a company, if a factory doesn't manufacture things, and unless they send you the manual that complies with your washing machine, with your car, how on earth can you imagine that Allah Azza wa Jal, sent down the revelation in order to make your common sense become corrupt?